Welcome back to another Andrew Marsham Fitness YouTube video. Today we are going through a full grocery shop. So this is everything that I'm buying for a lean bulk. Stay tuned to the end to also receive a free training on how you can put together your macros. Hopefully you can hear this alright. Then I'm going through a full week's shopping for a lean bulk. My current macros are 200 protein, 275 carb and 60 fat. So a good mix of whole, natural, healthy foods, that's what you're wanting. Single ingredient foods, and I'm about to prep all these as well. All the recipes will be coming every Friday as well, so keep an eye on that. First and foremost, salmon, great source of protein, some good fats as well. These extra lean steak strips, and also some chicken breast. Getting the protein source in first, so I've also got pork fillets here, great for salads in the morning. I'll bring this in closer in a second, but I'm just going to give you a quick run through. So, get some fruits for the morning. I put them in water first thing in the morning, so you get 1 of 5 a day straight away. So, fruits, I've also got bananas, they go in a shake. I've got some frozen berries in the fridge, I'll throw them in with as well. Fruits, kiwi, and I've got some oranges also from the last week shop, for the midweek shop last week. So that's my kind of fruit sources. Moving on to the carbs, kind of main source of carbs. This week I'm going with sweet potatoes. Got some basmati rice, some bagels as well. Excellent one to throw in at the end of the night if you're looking to get some extra carbs in. These rice cakes are also good, really good, the chocolate chip rice cakes. Veg sauces, some peppers, salad bag, cucumber, mushroom, and some onions, some mushroom in the fridge that's going to be thrown into my recipes as well. I'm making some taco bowls, so going for the mixed bean salad, some salsa for the salads in the morning, some fat-free vinaigrette, and that is for the sweet potatoes, which I'm going to make into wedges. That I'll put into my oats, which I already have, and some coffee, and then some fajita seasonings as well. I'll bring you in close as well for a close. So I'll take you in closer here, so we'll look at the protein sources. We've got some salmon, some beef steak strips there, some chicken and some pork. They'll be making up the salad, so I'll be pairing them with the cucumber and the salad bags. Some beetroot as well. Again, this isn't everything that I'm going to be eating this week, but it's a vast majority. For the carb sources, I've got some brioche buns that I'm going to make burgers up with. Again, minces in the fridge for that. Sweet potatoes, I'll be having them with the salmon and the burgers. Some rice as well, that'll be making up the taco bowls, and the other beef recipe I'm going to be doing. Some bagels here for at night, some rice cakes, also a great option. That is going to the mixed bean salad, and the salsa are going into taco bowls. The recipes will be coming soon on the channel if you want to have a look at them. Some salad, some fat-free salad dressing there, and then some milk for my oats. Another one of my favourite sauces, but fruit there as well, kiwis, bananas, some lemons and limes. I put them in the water first thing in the morning. And also some mushrooms and some onions, sorry, and I'll be putting some mushrooms through the beef as well. Just some quick garlic seasoning. I've got plenty of seasonings in the fridge, so I have plenty of stuff stocked up. But that's a quick run through of everything I'll be kind of eating this week. The majority of it anyway. Again, not everything that I'll be eating this week is in that video. I've already picked up some stuff, and likes of oats and things like that I buy in bulk, so they don't show up in the weekly shop very often. But that's the kind of main sources and things. If you have any comments or questions on that, please leave them below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and as I said, if you wanted the free training, all you have to do is comment below and share this video, and I'll personally send you over a free training on exactly how to set up your own macros. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.